Today we're going to talk about how to take the gamification of your e-learning program to the next level using rewards.
And your Game Boy. Everybody, welcome to the eLearning Partners channel. We have a free masterclass for you if you want to build an e-learning program in less than 90 days and also save $10,000 in the process. This masterclass is for you. It is linked below in the description. Go click on it and we will see you there.
So when we're talking about gamification and rewards, what we're basically saying is, if you're going to gamify your e-learning program, let's say you're gamifying it for your employees, and there's a leaderboard because you're using a LMS like Talent Cards or Talent LMS, check them out below, links in the description, get those extended free trials and some awesome bonuses. So if you got that going, you have to make it so your employees, your learners, whoever you're gamifying actually cares about the leaderboard. And it's not as simple as, hey, so the higher on the leaderboard you are, you can see that you're doing better than your colleagues.
Just like
Who cares? Yeah. So what you need to do is take that reward and add some real world value.
The first thing that you could do is pull out that money. That is right, my friends. One of the biggest rewards, of course, one of the biggest incentives is winning money. Whether that is a Visa card, whether if that's cash, whether if that's crypto.
Maybe you just send them some Dogecoin.
Hey.
It's like whoever is at the top of the leaderboard at the end of the month is getting 100,000 Doge.
The second thing is actually experiences. Now, experiences could be travel. It could be tickets to a Broncos game. It could be tickets to a musical performance or a concert of your choice. But basically, you can have a reward as an experience, a cruise, a concert, a festival, something that your employees want and love and want to experience.
Exactly. And how do you know what kind of experiences your employees want, Hector?
You ask your learners.
Cow.
Boom! Or you can say the experience is concert of your choice, right? And that leaves it up to the learner. Whoever wins, they
I go into
U2. Yeah, U2. Oh man, U2's amazing. We've seen U2 so many
Shout
times.
out to Bono.
What is the third thing, Johnny?
The third thing is PTO.
Paid time
PTO.
off.
And I know that some of you out there, a lot of you out here are like, you know what our PTO strategy is? We got unlimited PTO. Ha ha ha, we already got a benefit. They don't need any of that. The thing with unlimited PTO is the fine print says that you still have to check with your boss to get it approved. So when we're talking about PTO, literally say, hey, you're gonna get 2 weeks a year, whatever it is, where you don't have to get it approved by your boss. You just take that time off because you are the top person on that leaderboard.
We want to thank you for being here, for the likes and the subscribes. Again, if you want to create an e-learning program in less than 90 days and save 10 grand in the process,
sign up below.
We'll see you there.